Hey guys, so I don't know if you saw by the title, but I will be reviewing a slime kit. And just before we get started, it did say a skit, so this is going to be a skit. So none of this and none of the username of this person is real. This is all fake, just a skit. So yeah, let's get started. And just saying there won't be no editing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing a slime kit. And yeah, let's get started. Yes, I don't know if that's it. I want a better angle, people. Can I get a better angle? Yeah, that's a way better angle. So what I'm going to do, it's going to get the slime kit. And this thing I'm going to show you, this is mine. And basically all this came from the slime kit. But one thing, it came in a humongous box, like probably like this, one of those ones. And like it had 3 things, and these are my scissors. I'm just using this if I have to cut stuff open because there's tape. But because there's 3 things open, and but one of them I bought. But, well, 2 of them I bought. I bought some scents from her. I only bought 1 because they were super expensive. They're $13, which it shows. And, yeah, it's called Orange Sweet. And there's super expensive, but it's a cute scent, and I can't wait to use it. And then some charms I have bought. And the one thing, I don't know why, but she is using some company's containers, which I don't know why. And it is a girl, because I forget what her name is, Kiwi something. But yeah, she has this, and this. She gave me 2 of them, and I bought these for like $5. So it's not the worst, because I got a container too. I'm trying to tap, but I have like no nails, so. And then also some slime. We are going to review the slimes all after. So yeah. And now we have the scent like I showed you. Orange Sweet. So yes, let's do the first one. And this is extras. Yes. Oh, I do not want to show you the black stuff on this because that has our information. So first there is a cute note. Oh my god. And I love these boxes, by the way. But it says, read me first. And it has like a little piggy drawing. And it has like as if it's a note. I don't know if my brother might come up, so that's why I'm kind of scared. Wow, that was kind of easy. Oh, I see some stuff on the back. Okay, so let's get this. Okay, yay, the extra got off easy. So yeah, read me first. Yes. The first thing I see is a little drawing, but we'll get to that later. So the funniest thing I see is it says to you. So I don't know if I mentioned my name. I did say I'm going on a channel, so it does. So it says, hope you like slimes. Hope you like slimes. No refunds, comma, slimes. Slimes you got are on the back. Enjoy. Very short message, but it says from Maya. So her name is Maya. And it does include the cutest little drawing ever. So it's a little kawaii little girl. Yeah, that's super cute. And thank you for this little note. This is like one of the cutest little notes I ever got. Like, look at this. I love it. Definitely love it. Okay, we already spent like 4 minutes just on the intro. Let's actually get into the slime. So yes, I definitely need scissors. Okay. Whoa, that's even very quickly. Whoa, that's like weird. It's just like double boxed. Yes, this is the extra, but one of them in here are actually one of my slimes. Actually, there's 2 of them. They're actually my slimes. These 2 are my real slimes that I got. So. Okay. And then the rest are extras. So I'll get to these after. I always get to the actual things I got, but I'll get to the extras first. Oh, look, she gave me an actually decent slime. So the first, I'm gonna like tilt it so you can see it. So one of the first things for extra, I got this, and it looks black on camera, but It's not the best color, but like I could use it. It's a burnt amber, and I don't really like the color too much. But it's an extra. I didn't pay for it, but it's cute, I guess. It's very nice though. Thank you for this extra. And another thing we got is this. I will review the extras first. Ooh, and I love this little container. It's such a nice. Whoa. Yeah, wow, it's a little sticky. Forgot to bring my borax. Maybe she didn't bring. She said that there will be no borax included. That was in her text. We did text a bit. She showed me some videos of the slime, but she did not show me any of the extras. You know, she just said we'll include extras because how much slime you bought. And yeah, it's a little sticky, but it's like not bad. It's kind of cute. It has a lot of things in here. Yeah, so thank you for the extra. It's very nice. Oh, makes burning sounds. That's cute. Not cute, but you know what I'm trying to say there. So thank you for that. So, and overall that I paid was not 65. I paid 45 because one, the slimes were pretty expensive, and this was super expensive. But I did get a discount on this because they're having a holiday sale. Because I did purchase this a while back. Whoa. And sorry, I'm not gonna have too much support. Oh, my iPad's gonna die soon, so I want to finish this up. But yeah, this is one. But I did order this a while back, and yeah, it was a sale, but so it was like I forget $8 maybe, something like that. Oh wow, this is actually kind of pretty. Like it kind of has this purple tint, and this is an extra. Oh my god, something I forgot to do. Okay, we did the extras, right? Okay, that was all the extras. I like give this a 1 out of 10. I give it a 10, definitely. Super nice. This I give it. Well, I'll do 1 out of 5 because it's pretty small. I will give it a 4. No, 3. Definitely 3. I go over this at the end probably, and if I'll probably split this in half if like it ends. Probably gonna end because my iPad's done. It's gonna die. So like the back, it did say that the things it said slimes you got are on the back. Enjoy. So we're going to read what I got. So it's Starry Night Slime Foam, which I have right here. Blue Sea. Yes, it's this one. This is the Blue Sea. That's what I was talking about. I was like, what? Glitter Volcano, Mini Starry Night, Glitter Explosion, and More to Surprise. Ooh, I like that one. Get all those. Yes. So let's open up the big one. And I don't know if you guys already know what foam is, but let's see. Yeah, it feels like the foam I used to have. It's kind of hard. Well, I'll probably do that in a different video. Like, I told my brother to stop. BRB. to be with me because he's just being super annoying, and yeah. But yeah, we're going to review this after. So let's just open this up. Is this taped? No. Hello, you can be in here, but you cannot. You need to be quiet. I'm doing a video. So, what the heck is this? Okay, this might be an extra, but hold up. Is this the blue? Wait, is this the blue sea?
Yeah.
Hold on. Ew, it's so sticky.
Maybe I did that.
Guys, look at it.
Yeah, I did that, I think. Wait, I did that. Because last year, I saw
Laja, can you go away, please?
But last
Laja,
year,
be quiet. I'm trying to do a video. You can be in a different video, but not this one. So guys, I don't know what this is. This is kind of disgusting. It is like super sticky, and I don't want to get everywhere, so I'm not taking it out. And sorry for my brother, guys. I really tried to have him not in here because he is really annoying, but yeah. I don't remember. Oh, this is Glitter Explosion. Yeah, that definitely smells like Tide, guys. Boy, that's kind of cool. Look at that glitter, guys.
Look at that glitter.
Hopefully it's not too sticky. I want a thick slime, guys.
Yeah.
Not a stiff, but a thick. Thick.
I have
thick
like,
slime.
I think
How about you go get your slimes that you made?
that's mine.
You know, remember the one that we made together?
Yeah, but what's it?
I don't know. Try to go find it. So before my video ends,
Oh.
and go show them what kind of slime you
Look
have.
at my slime.
I'm just gonna be reviewing my slimes. Alright, guys. So this is kind of not that thick. It did say in the descriptions, well, not descriptions, but like the describing of what it is, that it would be thick, good slime. Like, I'm not saying it's bad. No, not that. That one's really bad. No, the slime's in your toy box. I remember putting it down there. So, guys, this is like not bad, but it so far mostly her slimes are pretty sticky, and I don't really like sticky slimes. Like, I like thick slimes. Like, not that, like, it's not that it's bad, but like, yeah, I don't know. It's good, but I did pay $8 for it, so yeah, that's kind of the point I'm going for. $35. And it did say thick slime, so it can't really be too. And that's what I'm kind of confused. How come I got this? But I got this. I'm very confused on that, and I am hoping she did not charge me for both of them. Let's go for this one in the back. See this one? And let's see what I got. This is Starry Night. I know that for a fact because there's little stars in it. And yeah, I'm excited for this because when she played it, it was like so stretchy, so good, and I'm super excited for that one. It was a little sticky though. Oh. Guys, why is it wet? Do you guys not see the Let me show you the texture, guys. That is so wet. What? It is by your toy box, not in it, but by.
I can't find it.
Alright, this is the last time. You know where your big box is?
Box?
Well, by the Wi-Fi, that's where it should be.
No.
Yes.
I just checked over.
One more time, then you'll be good. Alright guys, I'm trying to go fast. This one actually isn't too bad. It at first was like, you have to go and check. I'm not. Alright guys, hold on. Okay guys, this is really hard trying to film a video. I am trying to film a video, but I'm like, trying to be nice. But yeah, this slime is the bomb. It's probably the best slime out of everything. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that away. At first it was super wet. And yeah, it's getting wet again because I think that's just a container. I don't know. Next we have, I definitely know what this one is. Glitter Explosion. No, glitter. Oh, I know. And I'm not lying, guys. He actually had a slime that we made together for Christmas because he had one. And yeah. I'm not trying to be mean at all. But yeah, he cannot find it. And it was like, I forget what it looked like, but I think one of them was a purple. But if he really gets upset and he comes up here, starts crying, I will just let him review one of these. Elijah, come up here! He's crying, guys, so I have to. This is definitely smaller than I think I paid for. It is definitely glitter and volcano, I guess. Like, I love the color, and ish. Kind of turning brown. I hate the brown color. So yeah, this is not the worst. Could have gotten worse. It definitely makes the best, like almost the best popping sounds. This kind of feels like a Nickelodeon slime because, like most, it has that texture. It has the texture of a Nickelodeon slime, guys. No joke. And it's definitely one of those containers. I think this is a Nickelodeon slime. Yeah. Last thing in the thing. I thought I got more. Oh yeah, I still haven't reviewed some of these. This one is Mini Starting Night. Oh, so it's basically this, but this is like mostly like it because it's darker and stuff. Whoa. Seems cool, guys. I'm going to get you so you guys can see me playing with it. I'm sorry I'm not up. Whoa, this glitter's like super hard. It's like a chunky. I'm getting you so you guys can see it. It's, yeah, this one is definitely, like, this is the texture. This is the texture I think I was supposed to. Actually, no, this is very breakable. This, well, my first, like, it was supposed to be the thick texture in this one, but it wasn't supposed to be, like, breaking, because this one's, like, I actually paid for this.
It's not there.
Okay, so you come here and review this. Come over here. Show them this one. Come over here. And then I'll get your other ones. But first, you gotta show this. Show them this one. Come here, and you have to play with it. No, come over here.
I don't like glitter.
No, it doesn't get on you.
Yes, it does. Look, at you have hands glitter.
No, that's because of this and this. This one's fine.
No, but it will get glitter on it.
It's fine. Just wash your hands. Review it. Here, review. Play with it and show them. And roll up your sleeve.
Sticky.
How about you play with the foam? So yeah, guys, I give that a 0. Sorry. Anyways, you this one. Guys, I'm probably gonna do a remake of this video. But yeah, that is very hard. I don't know why, but it's not sticky, so yeah. Yo, this is like super hard. And the company lied. It says it never dries. This is proof. Proof.
It did dry.
Yeah, it did dry, right? You played it though. Alright, I'm gonna
It's
review this one.
sliding.
I'm gonna review this one.
Yeah.
Oh, it already has a charm in it. That is actually freaky. Whoa, it's a charm in it, guys. Can you stop? Oh, just stop.
Oh, I like it.
Okay. Kind of got, ew, it got sandy. Is there literally sand, literally sand in here? What the? There's, like, what is that, salt? Oh my god. So, me and my friend Bailey knows. We had the same company of slime, like this, right? We made it at McDonald's. I know that sounds weird, but right? Make it at McDonald's. We placed and everything. We leave it for maybe 2 days, and it has the same texture. It has like that salt sand texture. It's kind of weird. This is like weird, and I definitely know that for a fact because it's definitely the company that made it. Well, they didn't make it. We do, but like this always happens. But it's cool. Yeah. Guys, at this point, I feel like I'm just gonna go off topic because I'm gonna remake this because this was a fail, guys. Sorry, guys, you clicked on a video thinking, wow, but it was good in the beginning, but it failed in the end. But yeah, this is like really weird. Got it, guys?
Try. Wait, let me try. I'm walking.
Guys, if you don't want your brothers and stuff to play with, oh, Roger, come here, good again. You don't want them to be playing with your stuff, just like give them some of this stuff and be like, there you go. And they'll enjoy that.
You can connect it back.
Yep.
Like slime.
Yeah, that's kind of fun. Alright, guys, this is the last one that I'm reading. Ooh, lighting. Oof. Oofers. Oh, stop it. Stop it, Elijah. I'm supposed to. So it's this one, right? So I'm just at this point. I'm just gonna tell you where I got it from, how I made it. So this one I actually made with my friend.
Who?
Bria.
Oh.
Made it over the phone. And then we fixed it after, like with her hair gel, and it made it almost the best slime in the world.
It broke.
No, it didn't break.
Hey, you took mine.
I was just gonna put it there. I feel like I should take some of these and just spread it out in here.
Me too.
No, don't put any more in here.
Why?
I don't want this in there. Okay, some of these are in there now, but let's see. Let's see what happens. Like, is it gonna give a crunchy texture? Or are these gonna fall out? No, Elijah, this is for this. Oh look, it's like sea life. This is what it's called. It's supposed to be like sea. What did I call it again? Blue sea.
Let's take the other one.
Okay, guys, this has been too much of a storage since it's a fail. I'm just gonna stop it before it like turns into like 30 minutes of boringness. And bye guys. I'm actually going to try and see if I can do a seafood boil or something like that with my dad for a special. Because my dad is very nice and he like tries to do his best to we can like try and get a seafood because he's probably one of the reasons why I have so many subscribers now too as well. Yes, and Elijah, can you stop? We're putting it away. Stop. Give me it. I find you keep that, but alright, so we're gonna go.
Yeah.
And Oh, wait, put it in backwards.
That.
Stop, don't wipe it on me. Why'd you do that? I ain't your mister. Breaking up with you. Yeah, that's that. That's there. That's bleh. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video.